kana mutaratara wa kweheria aria maikaraga mutitu-ini wa Mau ni urekwo na njira yagiriire kana ca ndikio gitumi kia mururungano uyu. Aikari a Narok mararungana makienda ndukarugamio na uthii na mbere hatari muthutukanio. Hario mutitu wa Mau ni wa bata muno na ndwagiriirwo ni guthakwo naguo.
Hii eviction ya Narok imekuja wakati ambayo Mungu alitaka. Bwana anatembea. Tunasema tuko pamoja na wewe. Milioni imekufa. Umebaki fukara kwa sababu ya wajibu sito ya mawe.
This is an international agreement that the people must be evicted in the Mau forest.
Guku Nairobi Atongoria kuuma bururi wa mathai ona makiruta murugamo mururu wigie frigisheni iyo iria moroiga ona irari njerere muno.
Similar evictions have been done in the past but which have not borne fruits because of the politicized of the entire process. The government should stick to the professionalism in the long-term goal of achieving the constitutional goal of 10% forest covers.
We are supporting the president. We are supporting his efforts at conservation. We are supporting the eviction of the squatters in the Mau forest. They need to leave so that everybody downstream gets water.
Tuna support tembea okoa misitu na maji. Tuko nyuma yako bega kwa bega, ana kwa ana, na tutasimama na wewe mpaka mwisho.
No kuriage ino ni jama itarathingata kihoto kia muingi. Senator wa Kericho Aaron Cheruiyot akiuga ona kuri ciana itarathie thukuru.
Our collective protest is against the invasion of private land by rogue government officers in the pretext of conservation. Our protest is against the continued silence by the county commissioner as more than 4,000 primary school children remain at home as their school calendar is interrupted by this misadventure.
Tiria mbere mubango wa guthamia andu kuuma Mau urarehe ngucanio tondu miaka ya nahau kabere kwanagia na ngucanio ingi o ta ino. Frigisheni ino andu 12,000 nio mahutitio na magatigwo makigireka. Handu-ini ha Inoro TV gitagwo Macharia wamugo.